It's been a minute since you and I have seen each other.
It has.
Let me go into sort of your preparation for this hearing. And Ranger, I know you as Ranger Dave Maxwell, so I'm going to call you that whether you want it or not, because it's just in my brain.
I'm good with that.
That good. What have you done in preparation for testifying here today, Ranger Maxwell?
I've consulted with the attorneys. I've reviewed the material that has been turned over that I would be speaking about.
And is your lawyer here?
Yes.
Tell me his name.
T.J. Turner.
And he's in the room.
He is.
Now, when you say that you have consulted the material, let me make sure I'm on the same page with you.
Okay.
I'm aware, Ranger Maxwell, that there are transcripts of your original meeting with the Board of Managers back in February. You've read that transcript, I assume?
Yes.
There is the July 21st, 2020 interview by you of Mr. Wynn and Mr. Paul, right?
Yes.
I assume you've read that transcript?
I have.
There is the August 5th, 2020 interview by you and Mark Penley of Mr. Wynn and Mr. Paul, correct?
Yes.
There are also videotapes. I think the first one is about an hour, the July one, and the second one is an hour and a half or so.
Hour and 17 minutes, an hour and 54 minutes.
Your memory is not lacking. I'll give you that, at least so far. But have you seen the videos as well, Ranger?
No.
Okay. Well, I may ask you some specific questions about those meetings, so let me give you copies of the transcript, Ranger, just so if I get down in the weeds and you need them, you'll have them, okay?
Yeah, it's good.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes, you may.
Ranger, the Board of Managers,
Okay.
the July and the August.
Okay. Good.
He was not on mic, but he was simply pointing out to the witness what the different folders were.
Let's go back to, I guess, your first involvement, Ranger, with this particular investigation in terms of your testifying, okay?
Okay.
And by what I mean by that is when you were interviewed back in February, I think, by Therese Buse and Dan McAnulty.
Yes.
You remember that interview?
I do.
You've read it.
I have.
And in reviewing that transcript, Ranger, in your review, did you see anything that was in error or a mistake?
I see some things that may be misconstrued.